Hello students, welcome back to our today's video class. In the last video class we have started our chapter number 12, linear equations and inequations in one variable. The last video class I have explained you few questions from exercise number 12.1 and I have also given you some assignment works. Some of you have submitted the work and most of you still you have not submitted the work. It's very bad report from your side, so please be regular in your works. Okay, so I will continue this chapter today and I will start exercise number 12.2. This exercise is very big questions, lots of questions are there, about 30 questions. Today I am going to do few types of questions, so it will help you to do the other questions also. The first of all that I have taken a very easy question, but starting question, that is question number 2. This question is said that when 4 consecutive integers are added, the sum is 46. Find the integers. That means there are 4 integers whose sum is 46 and you have to find the integers. So how will you have to find? First of all, you have to consider 4 integers. So first let the 4 integers be consecutive integers numbers be. First one, if you take x, then the next one is x plus 1, and after that the next one will be x plus 2, and then after the next will be x plus 3. So because it is a consecutive 1 by 1, not skipped number, so it will we have to just simply add 1, 2 and 3 like this and so on. Now the main part of the question, that is we have the sum of these 4 consecutive integers is 46. So x plus according to question is very important to write this according to question before framing the equation. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 is equal to 46. Now you have to equate. There are 4x, x plus x plus x plus x is 4x, and 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6 equals to 46. Now as usual you have to take the like terms on either sides. So 4x is only 1, so 4x is in the left hand side and you have to take x to the 6 to the right hand side. So 4x minus x. Now so 4x equals to 46 minus 6 is 40. So x equals to 40 by 4, that is equal to 10. So the first number x, that is equal to 1. Then what will be the second number? 10 plus 1, that is 11. Then 10 plus 2, that is 12. And 10 plus 3, that is the 13. So the required number 4 integers are 10, 11, 12 and 13. When you to verify them, you just add them. If you add, if you get a 46, that means your answer is correct. So in this way you have to do this question. Now the next question that I have selected, that again another type of question. This is again consecutive numbers, integers, but these are, we have to take the odd integers. One thing I want to say you, while taking the consecutive even and odd integers, always we have to remember that whether it is odd or even, they are skipped numbers. Okay, if it is even, first number is 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10 like this. And if it is odd, then 1 and 3 and 5, 7, 9 like this. You can see they are skipped. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. Similarly 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So you can see that 2 by 2 it is increasing skip number. So whenever you take even or odd integers, the way you have to choose the integers, you just see here. So let the 2 consecutive odd integers be. First one, if I take x, suppose it is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, the next integer. So what we'll have to take, if it is x, then the next number integer will be x plus 2. Now the conditions are given that the 2/5, or it is here said that 2/5 of the smaller, so 2/5 of the smaller integer is 2 by 5 of x, and 2/9 of the greater 2/9 of the greater is 2/9 into x plus 2, and the conditions given that 2/5 of the smaller is exceeds the 2/9 of the greater by 4. That means this 2/5 of x is greater than this 2/9 x plus 2. So you have to take the 2/5x minus 2 into x plus 2 by 2, 9 equals to 4. Now the LCM of 4, 5 and 9 is 45. So 5 9 is 45, 9 2 is 18, and 9 5 is 45. So 5 2 is 10 over here. X plus 2 is equal to 4. Now you have to open the bracket. 18x 10 plus minus minus 10x is 10x plus minus minus 10 2 is 20 equals to 4 into 45. Okay. So 18x minus 10x is 8x, and this 20 you take to the right hand side. So 4 into 45 is 180. This minus 20 comes to the right side. It will become plus 20. So 180 plus 20 is 200. Therefore x equals to 200, and this 8 becomes to the right hand side. It will become division. So 200 by 8 is 25. When you do the calculations, you will get the 25. That means the first integer x, that is 25. The second integer is x plus 2, that means 25 plus 2 is 27. So the required integers are, odd integers are 25 and 27. Okay. So in this way you have to do that. The main thing is to how to assume the unknown number and how to frame the equation. So again, always write ATQ before framing the equation. Now come to the next question. The next page, same page. Sorry. The question is sum of the two digits of a two-digit number is 11. There is a two-digit number whose sum is 11. Suppose if you take 74, 7 plus 4 is 11. It may be 92, 9 plus 2 is 11. It may be 56 or 65, that sum is 11. I don't know what the number will come. So you cannot write whether 29, 92, 56, 65, 74, 47, 83, 38. We don't assume, so we have to assume as x. So while doing the questions like this type of, what you have to assume, the unit place digits and the tens place digits both. So first of all, the unit place digit I have taken as x. Now the sum of the two digits is 11 is given. So if unit place digit is x, then the tens place digit will be obviously 11 minus x. So the tens place digit is 11 minus x. Now very important part of the question, that we have to assume the required number and the reverse number both. Why I have taken the reverse numbers in the beginning, you will just see when I will do the question, the further steps. So the required number I have written as if one thing I want to explain you. Suppose if you write 45 is the number, when you expand this number, what you will write? The expand 4 into 10 plus 5, generally will write like this. When you interchange it, it will become 54. That means 5 into 10 plus 4, you can write like this. Okay. So this is the expanded form sum. Similarly, if the tens place digit is x and ones place digit, and the tens place digit x, 11 minus x, that means in the expanded form, if you write like this, it will become 10 into x, 11 minus x plus x. Now you solve this first. So 10 into 11 is 110. 10x are 10x plus x. Now 110 minus 10 plus x is minus 9x. So this the required number that we have assumed becomes 110 minus 9x. Now move to the reverse part. So reverse means if it is 45, when it interchange the digits, the unit place to tens and tens to the unit, it will become 54 like this. 54. When you expand the 54, what you will write? 5 into 10 plus 4. So similarly, when the tens place digit goes to the unit place and unit place comes to the tens place, it will become 10 into x plus 11 minus x. Now open the bracket again and solve it. So 10x plus 11 minus x equals to 10x minus x is 9x plus 11. So this is the another question. Okay. After that, what we have to do is the reverse number and required number, both we have got it. Now now we have to frame the question. Now we will see why I have already written the reverse number. Here the main part of the question comes. It is said that when we interchange the digits. Now see, interchange the digit, that means the unit place digit will go to the tens place and tens place digit comes to the unit place. That is called the interchange, and that's called the reverse number also. It is found that the resulting new number, means reverse number, is greater than the original number. Is greater means this reverse number is greater than this original number by how much? By 63. That means the reverse number is greater. So reverse number minus original number is equal to 63. So reverse number minus original number equals to 63. By equating this whole sum, what we have got here? X equals to 9. What we have got here? X equals to 9. That means we have to put, if we put 9, the value of x here, we'll get the required number. So that's why I have written here. So the required number is equal to 110 minus 9 into 9 means 9x means 9 into 9 equals to 110, 9 9 81. So 110 minus 81 is equal to 29. Here I didn't explain how to solve this part of the question, because as you know how to do the simple equations. Main thing is to frame this equation and find this answer. If the equation framing is correct, your answer will be correct. This is a simplification, so it is up to you how to solve this. Okay. So in another type of important question, 2-digit number. Now I will do one more question in this video class. That this question is regarding the age. The very important sums. Mainly we call it Pita Putra Anko also. But in this question we are not going to do the Pita Putra Anko. Just we are going to solve two sisters sum, Sona and Sonali. What is the question here? Question number 14. The age of Sona and Sonali are in the ratio 5:3. Means Sona, the age of Sona and Sonali are in the ratio 5:3. That means in the ratio, when the age is given in ratio, we have to take it as x. Let the Sona's present age be 5x and Sonali's present age be 3x. Now move to the next part line of the question. 5 years hence, the ratio of their age will be 10:7. 5 years hence. 5 years hence means after 5 years. So you can write here after 5 years, or as you can 5 years hence. If your age, present age is suppose 13 years, you are in class 8, 13 or 14 you are having your age. If your age is 13, how much will be your age after 5 years? That means 13 plus 5 is 18 years you will be. Or if anyone's age is 14, then 14 plus 5 will be 19 age year you will be after 5 years. The same way, if Sona's present is 5x, then how much age, what age she will be in after 5 years? That means 5x plus 5. Similarly, Sonali will be 3x plus 5. Now, after 5 years, the question is saying that their age will be in the ratio 10:7. That means the ratio of these two ages is again 7. So 5x plus 5 by 3x plus 5 equals to 10/7. So equate according to question. We have framed the equation. Now it is our duty to solve this equation. So this both sides are in fraction. Just we have to do the cross multiply. 7 into 5x plus 5. Then 10 into 3x plus 5. After equating, opening the bracket, changing the side, doing the side changes, ultimately what we have got, x equals to 3. This is not the answer actually. This x is not the answer. Our main motive is to find the present age of both Sona and Sonali. So what will the present age of Sona and Sonali now? So if x is 3, that means we have to substitute the value of x in both these three. 5x and 3x. So that means Sona's present age will be 5 into 3, that is 15 years, and Sonali's present age will be 3x, that means 3 into 3, 9 years. Now you divide them, you will again get the ratio 5:3. If we add with 5, means 15 plus 5 is 20, and 9 plus 5 is 14, so 20 by 5 is again how much? The ratio 10/7. So we have cross checked the question, our answer is correct. That means we have, so always after doing the linear equations or any type of equation x or y, always try to verify the equation, what the condition is given. According to that, it will give you the confidence that we have done the sums correctly or not in your examination. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video class, and very important linear equation, because generally we use the linear equation in all chapters of mathematics. Mostly in mensuration we need it in some arithmetic chapters also. Algebra obviously is needed. So it's very important to learn linear equations. Now we are learning in this class of one variable. In class 9 you will learn linear equation of two variables. Quadratic equation you will learn. Okay, so step by step you will learn for many more types of linear equation. So it's very important to learn this. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye. Thank you.